October 4th, 1957, USSR launched Sputnik, the first satellite ever to go into space, and it made a noise, and people were terrified in the United States. I mean, I can't even tell you. People were like, it's up there. People were like, they're over us. They're like, and it just went. That's what it did. And people were still like, it's booping up there. It's booping on top of us. Is it booping at us? Can it boop at us without us seeing it? Oh my God, I think I see it. People were terrified. Like 15 years ago, Popular Mechanics, the magazine, published an article on how you could make a Sputnik out of items you have laying around your house, like remote controls and stuff like that. But at the time, that was still terrifying. So, boom, they're out there. They're already ahead of us. Everybody knows about Sputnik, right? That the Soviets got there first. But nobody ever talks about Vanguard 2. Like, people are like, well, they got up there first. It's like, yeah, but 2 months later, we had Vanguard 2. Check this out.
Is classified. Neither the satellite program nor our missile development is affected, said Acting Defense Secretary Quarles. It's only an incident in the perfection of the Vanguard satellite system.
It's only an incident, that's all. It's also known as Flopnik, by the way. That's what this is called. So what I'm saying is it's not looking too good for us going into space. But don't worry, because we're going to move forward, right? We're going to win because we always win. Isn't that right? You guys, we always win, right? You guys, we always win. Cool. But not just yet. On September 14th, 1959, they landed the first man-made object on the moon called Luna 2. And on August 19th, 1960, the Soviets sent the first dog into space. No, I did not Photoshop that picture right there. That is an actual picture of the apparatus they sent the dog Laika into space in. And I should say, some people say Laika was the first dog in space. I'm not so sure. I think maybe it was just the first one to come back.
Ваше благородие, госпожа разлука, мне с тобою холодно, вот какая штука. Письмецо в конверте, погоди, не рви, не везет мне в смерти, повезет в любви. Письмецо в конверте, погоди, не рви, не везет мне в смерти, повезет в любви.
Look at it. It's smiling. It's like, let's go, dude. That's how it talked. I know you guys are like, they just shot a rocket, like Luna 2, they just shot something onto the moon. It's like, dude, they shot something onto the moon. Like, they were like, you see that? You see that up there? You see that? Watch this. And they hit it. And then on April 12, 1961, the USSR sent the first man into space. Yuri Gagarin. Actually, I should say this. First man who went into space and came back. These are the first words ever from space. I see Earth. It is so beautiful. Right? That's sweet. That's sweet. Then he had to be a jackass about it. And he was like, I don't see God up here. Which is, I don't know who thinks that God lived in space, honestly. I don't think that's a burn. I don't think anybody was like, oh my God, really? Because I thought God lived in space and the devil lived in the earth. I don't think that's actually how people think about these things.